Hello, welcome back. Let's continue with the methods to successfully start your own online business or side hustle. Previously, we covered opportunities such as making money with blogging, YouTube, selling websites, and more. Here, we'll be discussing how you can turn any talent or expertise you have into an online service and sell it on Fiverr. Method 9. Sell a service on Fiverr. In this video, we'll be covering the following 5 parts, and it's important for you to watch them all so you really understand this method to make money. 1. What is Fiverr.com? 2. The ideal candidates for success on Fiverr.com. 3. The time required in this endeavor. 4. Tips for success. 5. How best to monetize this opportunity. All right, let's jump into it. What is Fiverr.com? Fiverr.com is a global online marketplace which offers tasks, services, and products starting at a cost of $5. Fiverr gets over 4.7 million visits per month. Your aim should be to leverage Fiverr's powerful visitor base to reach more people and sell your services or products to them. These services could include pretty much anything you can think of, such as creating and editing videos, research, data entry, bookkeeping, creating nutrition or exercise plans. You just need to be willing to finish the task. And today, because of software, technology, and AI, it's become so much easier. Every service or task you offer on Fiverr is called a gig. With Fiverr's millions of visitor base, you don't need to worry too much about promoting your gig. Just have good titles and descriptions, and you should be able to do well. Additionally, payment handling is simple as Fiverr handles this for you. All you need to do is focus on delivering high-quality work to maintain your ratings and reviews. Ratings given by your customers will have a huge impact on the success or failure of your gig. At a quick glance, you'll find that people offer a diverse variety of services on Fiverr, which ranges from graphics and design, digital marketing, music and audio, advertising to anything you can practically think of. Remember, you can sell your gig at any price. $5 is just the minimum price. You can also charge more for additional services that you offer above your base offer. Top Fiverr gig sellers make well over $50,000 a year by leveraging the platform and providing high-quality services. Fiverr is great for people who have any skill set that helps others and can find a way to provide that skill digitally, and for people who love the freedom to work, doing what they really like. To be successful, your gig should reflect the skill sets that you have. People having in-depth skills in any particular area generally find success on Fiverr. The skill sets being offered generally should help other people complete their tasks or ease their life. You might be wondering how much time is required to start and maintain your Fiverr side hustle or business. Starting on Fiverr is quick and easy. You can create a gig on Fiverr within an hour. All you need to do is first sign up on Fiverr.com and have your gig's title, description, and images ready. While creating a gig, you'll have to insert your gig's title, upload the gig's image, input the description, and insert relevant tags and keywords. Here are 8 additional tips to get you started. 1. Determine your best skills. The first thing you need to do is sit down quietly and figure out the skills which you are the strongest at and stick to tasks related to them till you see some success. For example, if you are a person who can design logos and websites, then you should create and sell gigs in Fiverr that are focused on logo creation and web designing. 2. Do your initial homework. Before diving into gig creation, you must do some research to ensure that the gig you are planning to offer has interested buyers. In today's day and age, knowing what your buyers are looking for and crafting an offer to solve their needs is the recipe for success. Not knowing what your buyers want or need will likely result in failure. 3. Find popular gigs related to your skill set. One of the best ways of seeing success with Fiverr is to dig out the popular gigs related to your skill set, study them, then model your gig accordingly. The most important metrics you should look at while studying other gigs are their titles, descriptions, images, pricing strategies, upsell strategies, and any additional bonuses they provide. 4. Optimize your gig's title. Once you've completed your research and assembled the data, jump into gig creation. The title creation will be your first step. Here's how to optimize your gig's title. Based on your research and data, model your gig title. Use intriguing words into the title to ensure it catches your target customer's attention and that it is relevant to what they are looking for. For example, if you are offering a logo designing gig, you should consider using titles such as, "I'll design 3 magnificent logos in 24 hours. I'll design a professional logo with 3 free revisions. I'll design 2 stunning logos with a bonus free editable file." The example titles previously mentioned are beautifully crafted because they include 2 important aspects. First, they all have attention-grabbing words such as magnificent, professional, stunning, and bonus. Secondly, they appeal to the most important things that any person who wants to design a logo is looking for. For example, the first title, 3 magnificent logos in 24 hours, will appeal to the people who are in urgent need of a logo. The second title, professional logos with 3 free revisions, will appeal to the kind of people who want the option of incorporating their changes or requirements into logo design. The third title, 2 stunning logos with a bonus free editable file, will appeal to the people who have some knowledge of logo designing and want to customize the logo on their own. 5. Create your gig's image. While doing initial homework, you will observe that some gigs have better images than others. Good images will help you stand out. Shortlist such images and take inspiration from them while designing your images. Once you're ready with the initial idea, use free online image editing tools such as Canva, Pixlr, or BeFunky to create your gig's image. 6. Write your gig's description. Your gig's description plays an important role in convincing your potential customers to place an order with you. Thus, you must ensure that your gig's description is precise, clear, and appealing to your potential customers. Study other top-related gig descriptions to get some inspiration and model your description after them. Remember, don't ever copy another gig's description as it will get you banned from the Fiverr platform. Just use their descriptions to get ideas to create your own unique description. Furthermore, make sure you are listing your gig in the right category to maintain its relevance. 7. Use relevant and related tags. Tags play the most important role in ranking your gig higher. Most people don't realize their importance. Thus, you have an opportunity to rank higher than your competitors if you optimize your gig properly using accurate and targeted tags. 8. In addition to the other 7 tips, you need to make sure that your work is credible and unique on Fiverr. There might be many logo designers out there on Fiverr, but if you are the one who understands the needs of your clients and delivers the work in the best possible way, then you'll be able to generate a lot of sales, gain reviews, and have customers coming back for more. Finally, let's get to the monetization part. How you make money with Fiverr. Monetization is straightforward. Generally, the more people that place orders with you, the more money you make. However, you can skyrocket your revenue by having good upsells, additional offers, and bonuses. Furthermore, your delivery and quality of work influences your user ratings, which directly affects ranking on Fiverr. The simple rule of thumb is, the higher the user ratings you receive, the higher you will rank and the more orders you will receive. Fiverr handles all your transactions securely, so you don't need to worry about any payment processing issues. Thank you for watching this video on how to be successful with Fiverr. I hope that it's really shown the opportunity that Fiverr.com provides. If you liked the content in this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more money-making opportunities. You can also check out the other videos on this channel and pick the method that most resonates with you.